Yo, what is up guys? Welcome back to the channel, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can turn off the data saving mode on YouTube mobile. So the process is very straightforward and simple. So if you're using your mobile phone to watch a lot of YouTube videos and you want to save your data, this is what you need to do. So just open up the YouTube app, and then once that loads, you'll see you have your profile icon at the top right hand corner. Tap on your profile icon, and then you want to click here where it says settings, and then once you do that, you'll be on this page, and you can see at the very top, the second option there, it says data saving. So if I tap on that, you have various options that you can do. You can reduce the video quality, you can reduce download quality, only download over Wi-Fi and things like that, upload over Wi-Fi, and all those different features. But if you just want to turn on data saving mode and save the most data, you see that right at the top, it says automatically adjust settings to save mobile data. Just toggle that on, and as you can see, it toggles it on for all of them. So that's what you want when you want to reduce your data when you're watching or uploading YouTube videos. And then that's all you need to do. You can now simply go back, go ahead and watch any video that you want, and the quality should be reduced if you're watching it using your mobile data. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, don't forget to drop a like onto it and subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.